Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing good. So today we're gonna talk about sketching and architecture. And before starting this video, for the people who are here on my channel for the first time, my name is Saransh Singh and I'm an architect by profession. I keep making such videos on regular basis. So go ahead and feel free to check out my other playlist also. And without any delays, let's get started with the video. So guys, let's start with point number one. So many of the people out there think good at sketching means good at architecture. So I would like to clear the air. It doesn't mean that. Architecture is much more than sketching. So don't think that if you're good at sketching, then you will be good at architecture. So let's clear this out. And second point, many of the people think that you have to be very amazing and very high class in sketching if you want to be good in architecture. So again, that's not the case. You don't have to be that good in sketching that everything is like very hyper realistic or everything is like highly rendered and highly precise or something like that. But only thing that you need in architecture and in architectural sketching is the judgment of spaces, judgment of size and judgment of proportions. So it's all about proportional sketching. You should know if I am drawing a table and if I am drawing a human. So at what height this table should end and at what height the human should end. So it's not unproportional. And on site many of the times we just do very shabby sketches and still people understand that. And on site we just do just basic sketches just to make workers or the contractor or the carpenter understand like, okay, we have to do this, like ye aisa hoga, ye aisa hoga. So it's damn simple guys. It's not a rocket science. You just need to know 1 point perspective and 2 point perspective. And if you understand 1 and 2 point perspective, you're done. You're good to go. So in 1 point perspective, what happens is you just have a single point and all your lines coming to in your drawing are originating from that single point and your structures are made according to that, and all the vertical lines are perpendicular to the ground. So you will see in this video that how 1 point perspective is done, just a basic gist. And if you want, I can make a dedicated video on 1 point and 2 point perspective, but here's a glimpse of how 1 point perspective and 2 point perspective is done. And in 2 point perspective, what happens is you will have 1 point at your left and 1 point at your right, and all your points, all your horizontal lines are coming from that point, that particular point, and your sketch is made. So it is that simple, and I will show you few of my on-site drawings. You will be laughing at me. So just have a look at these drawings. So yeah, it's not that difficult. It is simple. And wait, I'll show you one more drawing. I think so I will have over here. So this is my diary. I carry it on my site all the time. So there might be few sketches in this. Actually they are too bad to even show on this thing. So yeah, this thing is 2 points perspective. So most of my drawings I do are in 2 point, and I love 2 point. So yeah, that's how it goes. I know it's crap, but on site or just to conceptualize for yourself also, sometimes it's very important to have these kind of skills. And this is a basic skill. If you practice it for a week or something, you will be pro at it. So yeah, 1 point and 2 point is enough, and you just need to know what the proportion of that room is, what is the actual proportion of everything around you is. That's the basic sense of sketching in architecture. So guys, I would just like to say that learning basic sketching is a pretty good thing to do, because many of the time you conceptualize your ideas, your random thoughts while sketching, and it's a great mental exercise also. So yeah, sketching is a pretty good thing to learn, but in architecture, sketching is not everything. So just to conclude guys, learn sketching, but you don't have to be very amazing in it. If you are okay enough, that is enough for you. And nowadays there are many 3D softwares on which you can do your conceptual sketching, and it's very simple to do that. So yeah, if you don't know sketching, that's not a very big issue, but for me and from my perspective, you should know at least basic 1.2 point perspective, and I think so even in the entrance exam you have to learn the 1.2 point perspective. So yeah, basic sketching is enough. Don't focus too much on sketching, but sketching is also a good mental exercise. So doing it actually, you know, relaxes me many of the time. If I'm very much stressed or something like that, many of the times, you know, I just sit and sketch, and for that time, for that moment when I'm working on that sketch, I kind of forget what I have in mind and what's bothering me, or if something is going wrong, I will just forget about it for a few moments and just sketch. So sketching overall is a good way to, you know, express your concepts, express your feelings, express yourself. So yeah, sketching is good, but architecture, again I'm saying this and I will repeat it n number of time, architecture is much more than just sketching. So guys, if you are good in sketching and if you are not interested in architecture, don't go for architecture. Go for some art related field, and art fields are not at all bad. They are amazing. You can earn in millions also. So no field is bad, but you know, choose what you are interested in, and not just because, you know, people are saying out there that you are good in sketching, go for architecture. It's not it. So think about it, and I think so I will end this video on this note. And guys, if you like this video, go ahead, hit a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. And guys, take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye bye.